Okay, so good morning, all of you. Okay, so in our last lecture, means in our yesterday's lecture, we are started with the problem set from Pythagoras theorem, and few of the examples we are completed. So let's see the remaining questions from that. Obviously, from that few questions I'm giving you for your homework. So let's start here. So let's start with the remaining part of the problem set 2. Okay. So let's see here the question number 5th. Yesterday we are completed up to question number 4th here. So okay, starting my hand raise. Who's this? Yes, Anis, do you want to ask something? आपका hand raise है. ठीक है. Okay. So what is the here? Find the length of a side of a perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose length is given to us, that is equals to root 3 centimeter. So what क्या find out करना है आपको? Length of the side and perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay. So अब आपको यहाँ पे क्या find out करना है? Length of a side and the perimeter you have to find out here. The side and the perimeter. क्या दिया है? Equilateral triangle दिया है. Equilateral triangle means each and every side of a triangle are equal. Okay, all the three sides of triangle are equal here. So that is given to us here. Okay, so this is an equilateral triangle. Then we have to find the side. Length of the side and a perimeter. आपको height दी है यहाँ. So what we are going to do here simply, firstly, since this is the height, AD is nothing but your height. It is an equilateral triangle. That means each and every angle of a triangle is equals to 60 degrees. So just firstly, I am considering the first triangle, ABD. Okay, in this triangle ABD, one angle is 60, another one is the 90 degree, and definitely then remaining angle will be equals to 30 degree. तो ये क्या हो गया आपका 30 degree का angle होगा. So which triangle we form here? We get an this 30 60 90 triangle. Therefore triangle ABD is nothing but 30 60 90 triangle. So what we require? We require a side of an equilateral triangle. So here in this triangle ABD, our AB is nothing but one of the side. So simply use the 30 60 90 theorem. AB is nothing but the hypotenuse. You can take the side opposite. Which side we are having? We are having the side opposite to 60 degree. So just use that property. The side opposite to 60 degree is nothing but AD is equals to root 3 by 2 times of AB. Value of AD is given to us, that is equals to root 3. AB we have to find out. Just since we have to find out AB, we keep this as it is, this root 3. This root 3 get cancelled with each other and we get AB is equals to 2 centimeter. That is nothing but our first question is completed. क्या था आपका first question? First question था find the side. So we have found out the side of an equilateral triangle which is equals to 2 centimeter. Now nextly we have to find the perimeter. Again all of you know very well perimeter means sum of all the sides. Okay, now since perimeter of a triangle we have to find, and triangle has three sides and it is an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal. Therefore perimeter of an equilateral triangle ABC is nothing but 3 into sides. So simply it is 3 into AB. So value of AB is 2. Therefore we get perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equals to 6 centimeters. So side is equals to 2 and perimeter is equals to 6 centimeters. This was very easy question. सिर्फ आपको यहाँ पे 30 60 90 theorem use करना था and we get our answer here. Again one more thing, while solving the word problem, since the questions is asked in the word, lastly you have to write the answer in wording only. अगर आप यहाँ तक लिख दोगे, this is यहाँ पे आपका आ गया AB is equals to 2 centimeter, perimeter is equals to 2 centimeter. You stop and forward move to the next question. यहाँ तक right होने के बाद भी you will not get full marks there. Since the question was in wording, you have to complete your answer in the wording. That means the last line is very important. That is the length of the side and perimeter of the equilateral triangle are 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter. You have to write this completely. बहुत से बच्चे से लिखने में ये करते हैं, बट दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. जब तक आप ये पूरा नहीं लिखोगे योर आंसर विल नॉट बी कंप्लीटेड. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द वेरी इजी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. Okay, now here Again, we are given one of the equilateral triangle. In this, point P is on the base BC such that given के PC क्या है 1/3 of BC. AB is equals to 6 centimeter. We have to find the measurement of AB. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ये डायग्राम देख लेते हैं. What is here? क्या दिया है? Equilateral triangle. So this ABC is your equilateral triangle. Next is what? Point P is on the base. ये point P क्या है आपका? Base पे. Okay, point P is on the base such that PC is equals to 1/3 of BC. मतलब ये जो पार्ट दिया है ना, ये पूरे BC का 1/3 आपको दिया है. Nextly, AB की मेजरमेंट आपके पास दी है, which is equals to 6 centimeter. This is given to us. What we have to find out? We have to find out the measurement of AB. How to do this? Okay, so let's see this. How to do this? Simply हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, एक AD ड्रॉ किया है. AD is nothing but the height of the given figure. So firstly we are okay, now writing the whatever given things that we are taken. Given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. PC is 1/3 of BC and AB is equals to 6 centimeter. Then we have to find out AB. So for this what we are doing? Firstly we are done one construction. Construction में क्या किया हमने? AD ड्रॉ किया. AD perpendicular to BC. ये AD BC को perpendicular है. That means we get a 90-degree angle here. Also, this AD becomes the height of this triangle. Okay. Nextly, let's start. Now here, since it is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Again, we are given PC is half, the 1/3 of BC. BC is nothing but equals to 6 centimeter. सिर्फ AB दिए, but it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, each side is equals to 6 centimeter. So we get PC is equals to 2 centimeter. तो अब आपको PC मिल गया. What we got? We got the measurement of PC. ये side आपको मिल गया. आपको PC मिल गया. अब आपके पास AC है. Now what we require? We require this AP. अब देखते हैं इसको कैसे करना. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, एक second, take the figure again. Okay, now we are taken the next triangle ADC. ये आपका कुछ इस तरीके का ट्रायंगल था. This was your PC और ये AD था आपका. Okay, so it is something like this is A, this is B, it is C, this was your D and ये है आपका point P. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, in triangle ADC, angle D is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, remaining angle, since it is an equilateral triangle, angle C is equals to 60 degree, right? Angle C क्या हो गया आपका 60 degree. So remaining angle is A. This half angle A, this half angle will be definitely equals to 60 degree because sum of all angles is 180 degree. One is 90, another is 60. So remaining will be definitely equals to 30 degree. So what we got? We got triangle ADC is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, क्या चाहिए अब आपको यहाँ से? We got AD. AD is nothing but root 3 times of AC. Q, because this is the side opposite to 30 degree. This AD is actually side opposite to 60 degree. So you got AD is equals to root 3 times of AC. तो AC की value है आपके पास 6. Simply value substitute की. We got AD is equals to 3 into root 3 से. Okay, AD मिल गया. AC है आपके पास. Then you got PC also. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं हम? CD. Again, CD हमने बराबर इसके सेंटर में से A से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ की है. That means it is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, we are saying, sorry, CD is nothing but half of AC. With the help of, we get the measurement of CD. अब आपको CD भी मिल गया. Now nextly, सिर्फ आपके पास क्या नहीं है यहाँ पे? You don't have here DP. तो हमने DP find out कर लिया. DP is equals to 1 centimeter. Now, just consider the next triangle ADP. अब हमने एडीपी ट्रायंगल कंसीडर किया. Yes, why we are consider this triangle? क्योंकि हमें चाहिए AP की measurement. So in that triangle, angle D is equals to 90 degree. So use the Pythagoras theorem there. Pythagoras theorem use करके we get the value of AP is equals to under root of 28. That is AP is equals to under root of 4 into 7. 4 is a perfect square. So when it will come outside of the square root, it will come only 2. So we get AP is equals to 2 root 7. With that, so हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया student? What was asked here? तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या था बच्चों? आपको AP फाइंड आउट करना था, राइट? आपके पास इसकी वैल्यू थी, दिस इज 6. AC की भी मेजरमेंट थी आपके पास, BC की भी मेजरमेंट थी. देन आपके पास PC की भी वैल्यू थी. You have the measurement of PC also. What we required? We required the measurement of AP. तो ये कहाँ से मिलने वाला था? This we get from this ADP. इस ट्रायंगल से आपको मिलता है. So for this what we required? For this we required AD as well as we required DP. तो हमने AD कैसे find out किया? This is 60 degree. We have used the 30, 60, 90 triangle for theorem for this triangle. With the help of that, we have found out the AD. Then we have found out the next one DP. DP कैसे find out किया हमने? पहले तो पूरा DC फाइंड आउट कर लिया. वी हैव फाउंड आउट द फुल DC. फिर आपके पास BC था. यू हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ PC एंड DP इज नथिंग बट DC माइनस PC से आपको DP भी मिल गया. एंड देन वी हैव यूज्ड दिस ट्रायंगल, दैट इज ट्रायंगल ADP, टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ E. यस, एवरीवन क्लियर विद दिस वन? इट वाज वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. सिर्फ आपको कब कहाँ क्या यूज करना है वो देखना है. ओके. So in this way, we have found out the measurement of EP. Okay, now let's see the next question. That is, ठीक है, एक second. Question number 8 and 9 has been reduced from your syllabus. So we are taking the next question, that is the question number 8 here. So अब यहाँ पे look here properly. Okay, this type of questions are mostly apt not only in your 10th standard but also for the scholarship exams or whatever competitive exams में इस तरह के questions पूछे जाते हैं. So pay attention to this question properly. So what is here? Let's see. Pranali and Prasad are walking towards. Pranali and Prasad are walking towards walking to the east and north respectively. Respectively मतलब what? First correspond to first means यहाँ पे जो east है वो east किसे correspond कर रहा है? That east is corresponding to Pranali. Then east के बाद north बोला है तो that north is corresponding to Prasad. So respectively from the same point and at the same speed. एक ही पॉइंट से दोनों स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. वन इज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट, अनदर इज गोइंग टू द नॉर्थ, बट बोथ आर ट्रैवलिंग विद द सेम स्पीड. देन आफ्टर 2 hours distance between them was 15√2 kilometer. Find their speed per hour. अब क्या हो गया? एक किधर जा रहा है? एक जा रहा है नॉर्थ में, एक जा रहा है वेस्ट में, लाइक दिस. वन इज गोइंग टू दिस साइड, another one is going to this side. एक इधर गया, एक इधर गया. This was their starting point. So ये था उनका starting point. Then what happened here? After 2 kilometers, उन दोनों के बीच का एक distance तैयार हो गया. अब उनको दोनों का बीच का distance, how will find out the distance? Distance मतलब ये this point and this point. This is but this becomes their distance. So we have to find out this measurement. Whatever distance, this distance they have given to us, that is equals to 15√2 kilometer. This is the distance between both of them. So we have to find their speed per hour. क्या find out करने आपको? Speed per hour. So again, if you look properly, they are starting from the same point. Same point they are starting and going with the same speed. So this becomes a 90-degree angle. Since they are starting with the same point, this becomes a 90-degree angle. That means we have to use a Pythagoras theorem. So what we are saying is how to identify which theorem we have to apply. If we are getting a 90 degree there, that means definitely something we have to do with the Pythagoras theorem. again, since they are starting with the same points, it indicates that it is having an angle of 90 degrees. So this indicates that we can use a Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so some this type of figure you will get there. So let's see how to solve this example and what will the figure here we will get. Okay, so this is the figure. AB towards AB. AB is going, that is Pranali is going to the east. So that indicates the AB. Then AC indicates Prasad Way, who is going to the north side. Okay. Now, suppose we are taking Pranali and Prasad started. Whatever we are done in the figure, that only we are writing in here. Okay, that is the most important. जो figure में है वो सामने दिखना चाहिए. Otherwise, if you are taking in figure ABC and here you are writing PQ or only you are saying that Pranali going to east, Prasad going to west, this will not work. Okay, so whatever measurements, whatever points we are taken there, that must be noted here. Okay, so here suppose Pranali and Prasad started walking from point A and reach point B and C respectively after 2 hours. Okay, whatever the timing was given, that only we are written here. Next, the distance between them is given to us. What is that distance? Distance is BC, which is equals to 15 root 2 kilometer. This is also given to us. Now, since their speed is same, both travel the same distance in the given time. Obviously, दोनों का time same है, sorry, the speed same है, so both will travel the same distance in the same period of time. Therefore, we'll say that the measurement of AB and the measurement of AC will be equal here. So here, we assume that the measurements or the distance is nothing but x kilometer. Now, in the triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 90 degree. So which triangle this forms, students, here? This becomes an isosceles triangle, right? This is equals, this is equals. So this becomes an isosceles right angle triangle here. So here, we can use a Pythagoras theorem now here. So that Pythagoras theorem says BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. We have the measurement of BC, that is equals to 15 root 2 square, and AB and AC we are taken is equals to x. So it is x square plus x square. So we get this is equals to 2x square. The square of 15 is 225 and the square of root 2 is 2, and this is 2 into x square. Okay, so here we get x square is equals to 225, right? 2 get cancelled and x square is equals to 225. Now simply take the square root of both sides. We get x is equals to under root of 225 and 225 is a perfect square of 15. Therefore, we get the value of AC and BC. अब आपको ये दो values मिल गए, right? We get this is equals to 15 and also this is equals to 15. But whether we are asked this, हमें ये क्या ये पूछा था? No. We are asked the speed. अब आपको ये मिल गया. A speed. What is the formula for speed? Simply use that formula. Now, this is speed is equals to distance divided by time. अब ये AB और AC ये actually क्या था? This is the distance covered by Pranali and Prasad. The same distance both of them covered, which is equals to 15. And since they are covering the same distance, the time is given to us, which is equals to 2 hours. This is given to us 2 hours. So we know the formula for speed is distance upon time. Therefore, we take 15 divided by 2, and that is equals to simply 7.5. It is equals to 7.5 kilometers per hour. And यही आपको find out करना था. And since it was asked in wording, in last we are writing in wording, that is the speed of Pranali and Prasad is 7.5 kilometer per hour. Okay, clear this one? It was very easy question, students. सिर्फ आपको remember this type of questions because ये competitive exam में पूछे जाते हैं. ये north east direction ये आपको अच्छे से लिखते आनी चाहिए. All the things is depend on this. बहुत से बच्चे इसमें confuse होता है. This is north east. Just remember this is east towards east. Take to this side. Towards west, go to this side. This is north. And this is nothing but south. This type of questions are asked many times in the exams. Also in the competitive exam, this type of questions are asked. जब भी कुछ हो रहा है, someone is going to the south, go to the downward side. बोला है कि वो वहाँ से west में जा रहा है, तो go to this side. यही से बोला जाता है from here. suppose point A. From point A it is going to the east. Then the figure will be something like this way. Okay. So remember this type of questions. तो आपको यहाँ पे simply पूछा गया था whatever the distance speed travel by them. So accordingly, firstly, जिस distance में वो जा रहे थे, with the help of that we have drawn a figure and then we have to find the distance between them. Since दोनों के बीच का distance find करना था, तो where they stop, जहाँ पे वो stop हुए जिस time के बाद में, we have to simply join that two point, and after joining we get the given figure is nothing but a triangle. And since they were traveling with from the same speed, your the angle between both of them is equals to 90 degrees. So not same speed, from the same point. And so we can use the Pythagoras theorem and find out this. After using the Pythagoras theorem, we have found out the distance traveled by Prasad and the distance traveled by Pranali. And then since we have to find out the speed, we use the formula for speed, that is speed is equals to distance by time. And time आपको दिया था, which is equals to 2 hours, and with the help of that we have found out this. Okay, everyone understood this one? या किसी कुछ पूछना है? Anyone wants to ask anything? Yes, no one? Everyone is clear this one? Rohan, Sarkar, everyone? ठीक है. Who is this? अपना नाम डालो. Yes, Ansari. Yes, who is this? Ansari. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
ये 50√2 को कैसे हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं?
कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं मतलब?
टीचर आपने सॉल्व करके नहीं बताया ना इससे.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके, एक सेकंड. दिस वन राइट, 15 रूट ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर ना. ठीक है.
यस.
यहाँ पे क्या था? 15 रूट 2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, राइट. इनका स्क्वायर लेना है. मतलब क्या है? द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस, द स्क्वायर ऑफ 15 इनटू द स्क्वायर ऑफ रूट 2. सो वी आर टेकन यहाँ पे सेपरेटली ऐसा हो गया 15 स्क्वायर, सिंस मींस इट इज ऑफ द फॉर्म ए बी स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज हियर? 15 स्क्वायर multiplied by root 2 square. So 15 square, all of you know this is equals to 225. तो वो यहाँ पे ले लिया हमने. This 225 is the square of 15, and then for the square of root 2, this 2 and the root 2 get cancelled. So here we get 225 into 2. Now understood? And ये तो ये side है ना, this one. This is x square plus x square, that is equals to 2 into x square. ये 2 into x square था. Then this 2 and this 2, both of them get cancelled with each other. So we get x square is equals to 225, and that is x is equals to x square है. So we take the square root of the both side and we get x is equals to under root of 225, and which is equals to 15 kilometers. Now understood? Yes? Okay. Hope so. Yes. Who's this then?
Alicia, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, Alicia, you can unmute and ask. Yes, Alicia, आपका hand raised है. Do you want to ask something? ठीक है. Anyone else? Should we move to the next question?
मैम 7.
हाँ बोलो. 7.5 कैसे आया?
हाँ.
अरे बाबा, this is 15 divided by 2 है ना? Distance upon time, right? What distance we get? We get distance is equals to 15. Time we are already given in the question, that is equals to 2 hours. 2 hours time is given to us, and since the formula for speed is distance upon time, so distance is 15. We are just find out, and time is equals to 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. पॉइंट में क्या रह जाता है? फिर 1 रह जाता है. सो 1, दैट इज हमने पॉइंट लेके 0 लिया. सो 2 5s are 10. So we get this is equals to 7.5. Now clear?
यस मैम. यस.
Yes, Sarkar, आपका भी हैंड रेज है. व्हाट यू वांट टू आस्क? नथिंग? Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Hope so this is clear to everyone. Very easy question. These are the easy calculations. Okay, now this is the next question, the question number 11. Just a minute. Excuse me. Okay, so let's see the question number 11th here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या है? In triangle ABC, angle BAC is equals to 90 degree. Segment BL and segment CM are medians of triangle ABC. Then we have to prove this. 4 times 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 times BC square. ये आपको prove करना है. So how to do this? Can anyone tell? Yes, anyone? How to solve this type of questions? जब आपको कुछ prove करना रहता है, तो what we do there? What to do? So, Miss, what idea we have to take here so that we can solve these questions easily? Yes, anyone? Yes. Who's this? Arun. Yes, Arun. You can unmute yourself. Yes, Arun, you can unmute yourself. हाँ, बोलो बेटा. Sorry, Arjun.
Ma'am, we need to suppose.
क्या suppose करना है आपको? Yes, Alicia. Alicia, you can also unmute. Your hand is also raised. ठीक है, no? ठीक है, चलो. हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am, we need to suppose the opposite of what we have to prove.
नो अपोजिट में जब आपको सिर्फ एक ही स्टेटमेंट दी रहती ना बच्चा, तब आप अपोजिट में उसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे यू आर गिवन समथिंग टू इक्वेट ईच अदर. जब इक्वेट करने के लिए बोला है ना, तब हम उसको सपोज नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपको बोला है कि 2 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, ये आपको प्रूव करना है, देन एट दैट टाइम वी कैन टेक द अपोजिट वन, दैट इज वी कैन सपोज 2 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर एंड वी विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. बट यहाँ पे जब आपको दो चीजें इक्वेट करनी है, सम इक्वेशंस आर गिवन, एट दैट टाइम वी कांट सपोज दैट दिस इज द अपोजिट ऑफ दिस. उसका रॉन्ग करके हम नहीं प्रूव कर सकते. सो हियर सिंपली व्हाटएवर गिवन, जो भी दिया है ना, दिस इज BL स्क्वायर plus CM square plus BC square, we have to try to find out the values of this one. Means we have to try to find out BL square, CM square आपके equations में ये आने चाहिए. Then we can equate them with each other. So let's see this one. कैसा करना है? What is given? Triangle ABC is given to us. In that triangle ABC, angle A is given to us 90 degree. Then segment BL and CM are medians of triangle ABC. क्या दिया है आपको? अब ये medians दिए. That means they are dividing the particular side in the equal parts. अब क्या है? BL ये AC की median है, मतलब AC को equal parts में divide कर रहे. This LC and LA are half of AC. Then this CM is the median of AB. That means this BM and AM both are equal, or we can say that AM is equals to BM is equals to the half of AB. Why? Because they are the medians. Medians mean they are dividing them equal parts. Then we have to prove this one. So what we require? We require BL square, CM square और BC square. तो सबसे पहले ये हमें कहाँ से मिल रहा है वो देखना है. Look here, this is a 90 degree angle दिया है. If I am going to suppose, firstly I want BL square. So BL square from where I will get? I will get BL square from this triangle, that is triangle ABM. Since it is a 90 degree angle, I can use a Pythagoras theorem here, and we will get the value of BL square here. Okay, one hand is raised. Yes, again Alicia is there. Yes, Alicia, कुछ doubt है आपको? आपका hand raise है कब से? Yes, Alicia. You want to ask anything? Okay, so from this triangle, that is from triangle ABL, we will get the value of BL. Value of BL means not in the numbers, क्योंकि हमारे पास numbers है ही नहीं. Only we will get BL square is equals to AB square plus AL square. Next, what we required? We required CM square. So from where we'll get CM square? From this triangle. From this triangle, we will get CM square, right? Again, angle A is 90 degree. Use the Pythagoras theorem, we will get CM square is equals to. And finally, for the BC square, we can use the original triangle, that is the bigger triangle ABC, and we will get the value of AB square. So while getting this, how to equate them with each other, that we can see here. Okay, so let's see. Before that, yes, रिहा चक्रवर्ती, आपका हैंड रेज है, कुछ पूछना है आपको? You can unmute yourself. No? ठीक है. Okay, now let's start. So here, what is given? We are given angle A is equals to 90 degree. Then BL and CM are the medians of this triangle. Whatever given thing is there, that we are written. Again, one more important, while writing this type of question, हर question में given तो आना ही चाहिए, but when we have to prove something, at that time you must write the given, whatever the given, then what we have to prove, and if you are doing any construction, that must be written here. After that, we will start with the proof here. ठीक है? तो आप proof में क्या चाहिए? सबसे पहले आपको BL square चाहिए. So we are taken the triangle BAL. This triangle we are consider here. This BAL. We are considering this triangle BAL, and which is equals to, in this triangle, angle A is equals to 90 degree. Use the Pythagoras theorem, we get the value of BL square. That is equals to AB square, sorry, AB square plus AL square. Nextly, in triangle CAM. Now, which is our next triangle? Next triangle is CAM. That is this triangle. So consider this triangle CAM, and from this triangle, we will get the value of, which value we will get? We will get the value of CM square. So CM square is equals to AC square plus AM square. अब आपको क्या चाहिए nextly we require the sum of these two, that is BL square plus CM square. So in next step, what we are doing? We are adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, that is this one. This is our equation 1, BL square, and here it is your equation 2, CM square. So simply add the two, BL square plus CM square, add किया, LHS के साथ, and RHS with the RHS. So we get this value. Now look here, AB square plus AC square is equals to AL square plus AM square. Clear up to this? What we are done in the next step? We are added for both of them since we require the addition of the two. Okay. Nextly, okay, in the next, we know that AL is actually half of AC. AL क्या दिया है? AC का half दिया है. Something, your figure was something like this way. ऐसी figure थी हमारे पास. ऐसा ही था ना कुछ. Okay. So आपको दिया था, this was your A. This was your B, right? Now AL, this AL is half of AC. क्यों लिया हमने? क्योंकि हमारे पास था वहां पे AL square. Yes, so we are taking the value of AL is equals to half of AC. Then next we are having AM square. So value of AM is equals to half of AB. Why? Because BL and CM are nothing. BL and CM are nothing the medians. So here, again your equation number 3rd, we get BL square plus CM square is equal to AB square AC square as it is. AL की value हमने डाली 1/2 AC bracket square. Then value of AM square is half of AB square. Clear up to this, everyone? Equation 3 was your BL square is equals to CM square plus AB square plus AC square plus AL square plus AM square. So what we have done? Instead of AL and AM, we have put this value, half of AC and half of EB, and bracket square as it is. Now simply solve this, we will get our required answer. AB square, AC square as it is. Now this is 1/2 times of AC square. So this AC square as it is upon 2 square. So square of 2 is 4. So upon 4. Then again this AB square as it is. This AB square as it is upon 1 by into 1 by 2 square, that is upon 2 square. तो upon में आ गया आपका ये 4. Nextly सिर्फ इस इक्वेशन में क्या किया है, AB combine किया here. This was AB, this was AB, so we are written them together, and also AC we are written together. Then simply solve this. ये कैसे किया, ये it is AB square. Means ये क्या है, AB square को समझाने के लिए I am writing in the bracket. Common है, so in bracket what we will get, 1 plus 1 by 4, right? Simply इसको solve किया. So 1 plus 1 by 4. Actually we are doing the LCM, or we can say the cross multiplication. There is nothing here, so it is upon 1. So this 4 get multiplied to this side, this 1 get multiplies to this side, and to the denominator both of them will get multiplied to each other. So here 1 into 1 4 plus 1 into 1 1 upon 1 into 4 4. So what we get this is equals to 5 divided by 4. Yes students, so this is equals to 5 upon 4. तो ये आया आपका, this is 5 into AB square as it is, और ये divided by का 4. Same way for AC square के लिए भी वही 5 into AC square divided by 4. So that is this BL square plus CM square is equals to, ये 5 by 4 आप combine लिख लिया, common है, so 5 by upon 4 into bracket 5 के साथ ये साइड में कॉमन था AB square, and the next was AC square. So ब्रैकेट में जो भी कॉमन था वो हमने ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखा, that is AB square plus AC square. Now up to this this 4 was divided, so simply we transfer this 4 to this side. So here we get 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square is equals to 4 into AB plus AC. अब आपको AB plus AC तो नहीं चाहिए. What we required there? We required there simply BC. अब ये BC कहाँ से मिलेगा? Use the bigger triangle. This one, the original triangle, that is triangle ABC, or here we are named as BAC. In that, angle A is equals to 90 degree. So use the Pythagoras theorem. We get BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. ठीक है? So this is as it is, and instead of this AB square plus AC square, what we get there from equation number 4 we can write there, which is equals to BC square. और यही आपको prove करना था. This only we have to prove. So how we done there? It is very easy. जो भी figure आपके पास दी थी, whatever diagram we were given, from this diagram, firstly with the help of the given diagram, firstly we have find out the value of BL find out किया, then CM square find out किया, then we require the addition of the this two, so we added this two. After adding we get this equation number 3. In this equation number 3, AB square AC square ठीक है, so we have the value of AL and AM. AL and AM as half of AC and half of AB respectively. So हमने वो वहाँ पे substitute की with the help. After that we are resubstitute the values in this equation number 3, and simply उससे हमने क्या किया, solve किया with the help of the cross multiplication and everything. We have solved them, and solving we get BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 by 4 times of AB square plus AC square. Now again this AB square plus AC square, using the bigger triangle, we have found out by the Pythagoras theorem that this is equals to BC square, and then we have resubstituted the value in equation number 5, and we get the required proof here, that is 4 times BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 times BC square. Okay, clear this everyone? Student, just okay, anyone have any doubt? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Yes, Alicia, क्या पूछना है आपको? Yes, Alisha. Yes, उसके नीचे who is him. You can also unmute yourself. Rihan, want to ask anything?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 रिपीट कर दो वापिस.
Question number fifth. Fifth वाला.
Fifth.
That is the find the length of side and perimeter of equilateral triangle. That one.
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है. Let me complete the next questions. Then at the last I will repeat that. Okay. Yes. Anyone have any doubt in this question? Should we move to the next question? ठीक है. No one is no hand is raised. So let's move to the next question. We will take that, Rehan. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the question number 11th. Yeah. Question number 11 तो हो गया ना. Just no, this is sorry, question number 13. The question of 12th has been reduced from your syllabus, and we have taken the question number 13 here. That is the in triangle ABC, segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC. Then BD is equal to this BD is equals to thrice time of CD. We have to prove that twice of AB square is equals to twice of AC square plus BC square. This thing we have to prove here. Okay, just quickly I am explaining you. You can do this for your homework. So I have not taken this complete question here because same types of questions are there. So you can do this by yourself. ठीक है, क्या है यहाँ पे? The given thing dv. हाँ, ठीक है. Since this question I am giving for your homework, I have not written the given to prove and then start with the proof. I have not written in a proper. So this is for your homework. Write down the given. Then write down the to prove and then we are starting with the solution. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिया है? DB is equal to thrice of CD. Then in triangle ABD, what we required actually AB square. So firstly, I consider the triangle ABD in which angle D is equals to 90 degree, and using the Pythagoras theorem, we get AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Then the value of DB we are having is equals to thrice of CD. तो simply ये यहाँ पे substitute की. And we have solved that, so we get the value of EB square. Then again in triangle ADC, this triangle ADC, in this triangle ADC, again angle D is equals to 90 degree. फिर आपको क्या चाहिए था? AC चाहिए था. So you can get AC from there. So we have taken that. So with the help of that, we get the value of AC square. Now, nextly, क्या किया हमने यहाँ पे? सिर्फ यहाँ से AD find out किया. क्यों? Because I have to put the value of this AD in this equation number 2. So we get the value of AD, then we substitute the value of AD in the equation number 2. Equation number 2 में substitute करने के बाद we get AB square is equals to AC square plus 8 times CD square. Now CD, this CD आपको क्या है आपके पास? Actually CD plus DB, we get this is equals to BC. So from that again we know that DB is equals to 3 times of CD. तो वही यहाँ पे put किया, we get the value of BC. So we put this value of CD in this equation. तो AB square is equals to AC square plus यहाँ पे CD के जगह अब आप गए आपके पास 4 times BC square. Means ये तीनों values अब आपको मिल गए हैं in a same equation, right? In the same equation we will get all the three values. सिर्फ आप उसको relocate करके you have to convert it into 2 times AB square is equals to 2 times AC square plus BC square. Therefore, I had done this for keep this for your homework. It is very easy. क्या किया है यहाँ पे? सिर्फ सबसे पहले we required AB. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we have found out the AB square. Next, using the Pythagoras theorem, we have found out the AC square using the another triangle. After getting AC square, we found out the value of AD. We have resubstitute the value of AD in the equation of AB square. Again, we are having the thing that this is CD is actually BD is actually 3 times of CD. So using that, we have found out, we are get the value of BC. BC तक आप आ गए. BC तक आने के बाद वापस वही सारी वैल्यू आपको in this equation में put करना है. This one AB square, इस इक्वेशन में आपको उससे पुट करना है. आफ्टर पुटिंग you will get AB square is equals to AC square plus 8 into BC square. ये आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. BC 4 times BC upon half bracket square. तो उसको solve करो, you will get our given thing. जो आपको prove करना है वो आपको दिखेगा. Okay everyone, यहाँ तक किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Anyone? I hope so. This is very easy, so please do it for your homework. We'll quickly see. देखना है, just a minute. Should we stop? बस एक ही question है. I'm just explaining this to you, and we'll stop here then. ठीक है? So let's see. Trapezium. One trapezium is given to us in which segment AB and DC are parallel. BD is perpendicular to AD. AC is perpendicular to BC. Measurement of AD and BC are given to us, which is equals to 15. The measurement of AB is also given to us 25, and we have to find the area of this quadrilateral trapezium ABCD. अब trapezium मतलब क्या बच्चों? Trapezium means one of the opposite side is parallel and another opposite sides are equal. That is called as the trapezium. Look here, यहाँ पे AD is equals to 15, BC is equals to 15. Both are equal, and DC and AB are parallel to each other. So this type of figure is called as a trapezium. अब सिर्फ आपको यहाँ पे trapezium का formula use करके area of trapezium, which is equals to height into half into sum of the opposite sides. So this is nothing but the formula for trapezium. वो सिर्फ आपको यहाँ पे use करना है. तो इसके लिए आपके पास क्या चाहिए? Opposite sides. Sorry, हाँ, इसकी measurement है. हाइट चाहिए आपको. सो वी आर डूइंग वन कंस्ट्रक्शन हियर. कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के बाद आपको सिंपली इस तरह से हम हाइट ड्रॉ करेंगे. यहाँ पे दोनों साइड से विल ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर, देन वी विल गेट हाइट फ्रॉम दैट. इससे आपको हाइट फाइंड आउट करते आएंगे. देन डीसी, ये एक साइड आपको चाहिए. वंस यू गेट दिस टू साइड, सिंपली यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम एंड वी कैन सॉल्व दिस वन. सो लेट्स क्विकली सी दिस. आई थिंक अब टाइम भी खत्म होता है. वेयर इज दैट फिगर? ये फिगर. Okay, so we are done this construction. So let's see. Firstly, we are done the construction, that is segment DE, and EF हमने perpendicular draw की है segment AB पे. Then in the solution we are consider the triangle ACB. Yes, this triangle we are consider ACB. In this triangle we are use the Pythagoras theorem. Since angle C is equals to 90 degree, we get AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. So values डाली, we get AC square is equals to 400. So AC is equals to under root of 400. So we get AC is equals to 20. ये value आपको मिल गई. This one AC. We have got this value. ठीक है? Now let's see this. Okay, this is the last question we are taking. Now triangle ABC is equals to half of length into breadth. तो उस हिसाब से हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे वही वैल्यू डाली, हाफ इंटू ए बी इंटू सी एफ. उस हिसाब से हमने दिस हाफ हाफ गेट कैंसिल. हाँ, अगेन वन मोर, ए बी सी हाफ इंटू बी सी इंटू ए सी, साथ ही साथ ए बी इंटू सी एफ. क्यों दो बार ले सके हम? Because we are taken the two different heights. दो heights निकाली है, so we can consider them as for the two different areas हम उससे लिख सकते हैं. But since both are the values of the same area, we are equating this. Okay, so we are equated both of them, and the half get cancel with each other, and we get BC into AC is equals to AB into CF. अब सिर्फ यहाँ पे values put की, and we have found out value of CF, which is equals to 12 यूनिट. CF अब आपको मिल गया, राइट? मींस वन ऑफ द हाइट आपको मिल गई. अब आपको क्या चाहिए? द अबव लाइन DC चाहिए था आपको. तो DC के लिए अब क्या किया हमने? अगेन एक ट्रायंगल कंसीडर किया, वहां से हमने BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू CF स्क्वायर प्लस FB स्क्वायर. अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव फाउंड वैल्यू ऑफ FB, राइट? Similarly, since both are equal, it is on the same line, we get A is also equals to FB, which is equals to 9 units only. And then आपको इसी तरह से EF भी मिल गया, क्योंकि AB मतलब क्या है? इन तीनों की एडिशन. So we get आपके पास AB की वैल्यू है, AE की वैल्यू है, FB की वैल्यू है. We are not having only value of EF, so simply use that. We get the value of EF, and then we are consider the given quadrilateral, that is a trapezium. In that trapezium, all the things were written, and this is the formula. Then area of trapezium is equals to 1/2 times height into sum of the opposite sides of parallelograms. अब सिर्फ सारी values यहाँ पे put की and we get area of quadrilateral ABC is equals to 192 square centimeter. कुछ भी नहीं किया स्टूडेंट, इतना बड़ा लेंदी क्वेश्चन है बट हमने यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट की है. नथिंग एल्स वी आर यूजिंग द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सिर्फ हमने यहाँ पे ये सब फाइंड आउट किया है. ओके, इट्स वेरी इजी, जस्ट गो थ्रू इट, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. यस, आई थिंक हमारा टाइम फिनिश हो गया है, बट क्विकली in 2 minutes we'll complete the question number 5th ना. अब इसको क्वेश्चन 5 समझना था, राइट? क्वेश्चन 7.